loves, welcome back to my channel. Before we get started, please like, comment, and subscribe. Hi you guys, so I'm up real late and I was like, why not get on here and do a quick video. I want to say thank you all for subscribing to my channel. I hope the prayers and scriptures help you all, and thanks again. So I thought that I would get up I'm up pretty late. It's probably like 3 o'clock in the morning. I got a tendency of going to bed on time, and then I'll wake up and then be up for a few hours, and by the time I get ready to try to go back to sleep, it's time to get my kids up on the bus. So I know you can see I have one of the bamboo jars, the little cups, and I do have some stickers that I actually purchased off Temu. It's decals for cups. I just want to show you a little quick just a real quick fun thing you can do. You can actually make these and sell them. You know, you could just do them for DIY. It's really simple. It's not hard. I used to make my cricket designs as well, and you could put them on the cups too. This is actually a sublimation one, but instead of doing a sublimation, I'm actually going to use these pretty decals to add onto the cup. Never mind my background, y'all. I had decided to come in my room to record because everybody's asleep. So the first thing you want to do, of course, is wipe this off with an alcohol pad. Make sure that you clean it really good, and be sure to make sure there's no lint or anything on it that's gonna mess it up from this adhering to it. Okay, so I've already wiped it down with alcohol. As you can see, this is the top. Take it off. I think these are so cute. Okay, and so the thing I'm gonna do is, like I said, I got these decals. They already pre-made. I got them off Temu. Okay, as you just remove this right here. If I can get it off, y'all. Let's see. Okay. And yeah, I don't know why it be taking me so long to do this. I guess because I got these nails on. Okay. Okay, so it normally doesn't take this long to take this sticker off. Oh, we're almost there. Okay. So we take it off like this. It's that easy, okay? And this actually says pray on it, pray over it, and pray through it. Amen. All right. So what you want to do is you will take it. Normally I have my little cup holder thingy, but like I said, this is something I was like, let me just do it on camera because I'm not doing anything and I want to get back on here and start back recording. So you want to make sure when you place your decal on your cup that you align it in the center to the best of your ability. Normally with round ones it's very easy, but cups mugs that's made more differently, that's got like a different shape to them, it's not this simple. Okay, and so as you can see, I put it on there. I'm gonna just show it to you just like that. And what we're gonna do next is take our little scraping tool, and you want to just smooth it to the best of your ability. All right, just smooth it on there. And you can use your fingers too. You don't have to use this, but I'm just using it. Okay, and I'm just smoothing it on here. And I want to let y'all know I did do a nail video for y'all, and I did it on my camera, and I don't know what's going on, but it didn't work out too well. So I'm just gonna do some little short videos for y'all till I figure out what camera worked best for me at this point. I'm actually recording this on my phone, so hopefully it looks up to par. All right, and so it's on there now. This is without taking it off. So what you want to do is you'll take the clear piece, now that it's on there, and you're just gonna pull it off real nice and easy. And I just want to keep showing y'all it in real time. Okay, just like that. And you see these didn't stick, so all you gotta do is go back and make sure to lay it down. Y'all, my little table thing moving, but yeah, let's see, just like that. And we want to make sure we pull it off. Anything that doesn't come off, you always just take it back and you just go ahead. Is that another one that's on there? Oh yeah, so we got this little one right here. I'm gonna just rub it on there and then you can just take it off. Beautiful. I want to let y'all know too, this has to sit for at least 24 hours because you want to make sure that your design sticks, okay? So when it go under water, it won't come off. And that's what it looks like, the first one. That is the first one, okay? All right, and like I told y'all, it is so simple. It is not hard at all to do these. And you could put your own price on it, put your own designs on it. And, you know, or just do it as a fun activity, you know. And this one right here says, for I know the plans I have for you, plans to give you hope and faith, Jeremiah 29:11. And when I tell you on Temu, they sell such beautiful ones. Like, you can find so many decals for the low. And they don't even cost that much. And it's great quality. And I get most of mine off of there that I've been using lately. I do want to let y'all know, too, I do want to thank y'all so much once again for the follows. And I try my best to upload as many as possible. Okay, and so well, I just took it off. I wanted y'all to just see that I took it off. But I really appreciate y'all follows and the subscribers. I really thank y'all again. Okay, and once again, we're going to just place it in the center to the best of our abilities, just like that. And you want to make sure it's in the center, like that. You want to smooth it down. And this time, I'm just going to use my fingers to wipe it down instead of using the scraping tool. You know, just be careful not to get your fingerprints all on it, okay? Okay, we'll just smooth it on there. Just like that. So yeah, y'all, and if you see like my video jumping a little bit, I got like my little phone on this little phone holder thingy. I am really trying to get back in the groove of things. Like I said, I haven't recorded in so long. And I'm just trying to figure out the camera life, what I'm going to do. If using a phone is more better, you know. Okay. So, once again, I'm taking it off. We're taking it off. If we see anything that don't come off right, guess what? We'll smooth it back on. All right. Like I told y'all before, you want to make sure you smooth it on there. Anything that don't come off good, you can always just put it back on and do it all over, okay? Beautiful. That is beautiful. And make sure, like I said, that y'all keep these, when you make them, that you wait at least 24 hours before you use them. Don't submerge them in water. You can wash them, of course. But yeah, that's really all to it. And this was just a quick video on how you can add decals to any cup of your choice. Very easy. You can also make them, you know, make these cute. Use them, give them as gifts. On Amazon, they have like a lot of gift boxes that you can also use too. You know, you just give them out as gifts or sell them, like I said. So I hope you like this video. If you want more want me to make more videos with more steps and tutorials on how to, you know, do a little more other than just the stickers, please feel free to leave it in the comments and let me know. Once again, I want to thank you again. And I hope everybody have a blessed and safe night.